Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video we're going to see how we can book a cab on Lyft app. Lyft is a taxi app which can be facilitated with all the kinds of cabs available on that app wherever you are in US. For example, if I'm on Lyft homepage, the homepage looks like this, and it will ask you where are you going. Just click here on the homepage, then it will throw you automatically the destination place, something which you have already traveled. Otherwise, you can select the favorite destination wherever you want to go. It will automatically tell you where you are starting, and the destination has to be given by you. Just click the destination point, and I have already traveled to all these places, out of which I would like to again go to Rivers Hotel, Boston, comma. Yes, I'm selecting this as my destination, or otherwise you can type and give it your destination point. From my pickup point to that destination, all those cabs which are available on app will be shown to me. For my destination, from my pickup point to that destination, it's charging minimum 19.99 USD, and preferred cab will be charging me 23.36 USD. Always several cabs are available, and rates increase, so on. And there will be a luxury segment also you can choose to. Thereafter, you can have daily rental also in Lyft. If you would like to go with Lyft XL, just select this and select Lyft XL here, and thereafter it will show you which terminal you are going. Because I'm at airport, it's asking me which terminal. I'm from terminal C only, so confirm and request. Before to assign a cab on your ride, there will be option you have to select for payment. There will be options like online banking, PayPal, credit or debit card. Select one of your favorite option and give your payment method. Thereafter, it will allow you to confirm your ride. Then automatically cab will be assigned, and you will be traveling from your place to that place. Thereafter, you can pay this amount 28.98 USD to the the cab rider. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next one. Till then, bye bye. Subscribe the channel, like and share the video.